Good day to all. Welcome to Raaonline. I am Dr. Karthikeyan, Associate Professor of Physiology. Today we are going to see about the important blood cell which are involved in body defense mechanism. They are called as leukocytes or WBCs, white blood corpuscles. What are the objectives of the today's session? At the end of the session, the student should be able to describe the structure of WBCs and explain about the steps in phagocytosis and enumerate the various functions of WBCs. This topic comes under competency number 2.6. The leukocytes are the special system of our body which works in two ways. One is called phagocytosis and another is by producing various types of antibodies. They are called as mobile units of body defense mechanism. Coming to the classification, they are classified into granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes are neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. They are all together called as polymorphonuclear leukocytes, and the agranulocytes are monocytes and lymphocytes. Neutrophil, eosinophil, basophils are called as granulocytes because they contain granules in their cytoplasm. The most important functions of granulocytes and monocytes is phagocytosis. But the lymphocytes works in function with the immune system. What is the normal value of WBC? It is about 4000 to 11,000 bar millimeter cube of blood. What is the percentage distribution of each leukocyte? The neutrophil is the commonest one. It is about 62% of total WBC, and eosinophils about 1 to 5%, basophils about 0.5%, monocytes about 3 to 8%, lymphocyte is the next commonest one which is about 30%. Coming to the leukopoiesis, that is production and maturation of WBCs. They are from pluripotent hematopoietic stem cell. Okay, this is the pluripotent hematopoietic stem cells. That is the precursor, main precursor cell for all the blood cells. From the pluripotent hematopoietic stem cells, you are getting colony forming unit GM, that is phagocytic stem cell. Okay, this colony forming unit M forms monocytic stem cell. From this cell, you are getting monoblast, promonocyte, monocyte and then macrophage. Okay, and then from colony forming unit granulocytic stem cell, you are getting myeloblast, myelocyte and then mature neutrophil. Then colony forming unit eosinophilic stem cell. From the eosinophilic stem cell, you are getting eosinophilic myeloblast and then eosinophilic myelocyte, then mature eosinophil. And from colony forming unit basophilic stem cell, you will get basophilic myeloblast, basophilic myelocyte and then mature basophils. And then lymphoid stem cell, they are also again from pluripotent hematopoietic stem cell. It is cleaved into pro-B cell and pre-T cell. Okay, pro-B cell forms pre-B cell, then early B cell and then mature B cell. The mature B cell will be transformed into plasma cell and some of the cell will be converted into memory cell. From the pre-T cell, it undergoes processing in the thymus. First in the subcortical areas form subcortical thymocyte, then it goes to medullary area of thymus, form medullary thymocyte and then it goes to blood, then lymph node. Okay, finally it produces different kinds of T cell. They are the suppressor T cell, helper T cell and cytotoxic T cell. Okay, this is about the leukopoiesis or production and maturation of leukocytes from the bone marrow. Okay, coming to the different types of leukocytes, one by one we will see now. Neutrophils, they are the commonest leukocyte, most prevalent and it is mainly protective against pyogenic infections. What do you mean by pyogenic infection? They are the pus-forming infections. Mainly bacterial infection produces pyogenic infection. And coming to the structure, the diameter of the neutrophil is about 10 to 14 micrometer and the cytoplasm contains fine pink granules and it contains multi-lobed nuclei. The number of lobes varies from 2 to 7 lobes. Okay. And this nucleus contains a rod-shaped structure that is called as sex chromatin. This is useful in sex determination. This is the slide showing the peripheral smear of blood. In this you have got one neutrophil and eosinophil. Okay, this is the peripheral smear showing the neutrophilic structure. See, there is 3 lobes in the nucleus and the cytoplasm is very clear because it contains fine pink granules.